In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view multiple calendars side by side in Google Calendar. If you manage more than one calendar, whether it's for work, personal events, shared schedules, or different projects, seeing them side by side can make your day much easier to plan. Instead of stacking everything into a single view and trying to tell events apart by color alone, this setting lets you compare calendars more clearly in Day View. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. This feature is easiest to access from the desktop version, so make sure you're using Google Calendar in a web browser. Once Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon. This is where you'll find your calendar settings. Click the gear icon and then choose Settings from the menu that appears. After the settings page opens, turn your attention to the menu on the left-hand side. You may need to scroll down a little in that sidebar until you find the section called View Options. This area controls how your calendar is displayed, so it's where you can customize the layout to better fit the way you work. Under View Options, look for the setting labeled View Calendars Side by Side in Day View. When you find it, click the checkbox to enable it. That's the key step that turns on the side-by-side layout. Once the setting is checked, you can return to your calendar and use Day View to see the difference. If you have multiple calendars selected, Google Calendar will display them in separate columns next to each other, making it much easier to compare schedules at a glance. This can be especially helpful when you're coordinating meetings, checking availability across calendars, or trying to avoid overlap between personal and professional commitments. One important thing to keep in mind is that this setting applies specifically to Day View. So if you don't immediately notice a change, make sure you switch into Day View in your main calendar screen. That's where the side-by-side layout becomes visible. A helpful tip is to make sure the calendars you want to compare are already enabled in your calendar list. If a calendar isn't turned on, it won't appear in the side-by-side view, and that's all it takes. With just a quick adjustment in settings, you can make Google Calendar much easier to read when working with multiple schedules.